Uh, I'm so excited to be here with you this evening. Thank you so much for joining today's live. So, if you're watching the replay or you're part of the live, please go ahead and like this video. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's get right to today's setup quickly. So, in today's setup, the chart type is going to be candlesticks, and we're going to enable this timer for the candles. We'll disable the auto scroll thing. You understand? That's all for this page. So now let's go to the time frame area. We're using M1 for the time frame for the candles, and that's it basically. It means each of these candles is 1 minute. You can see there's a timer for each minute, and when a new candle opens, you can see this timer gives us a 60 seconds countdown every time. So the next thing we need to do is to set this trade time thing here. Now this is a regular one. This is regular clock mode. We're going on M1, but we're going to switch to the flag mode here. And in the flag mode, we choose M1, and we'll make sure that this second hand is on 0. It's very important. Thank you so much for joining, Abiola. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. It's nice to have you here. So guys, thank you so much for joining. Please go ahead and like the video immediately you join. Please just like the video so that YouTube can recommend the video to the rest of our friends all over the world. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. You're welcome, Abiola. It's nice to have you here. All right, so basically so that's gonna be it for this trade time. Then for the amount, we're going in with 12.5%. I like to trade percentage of my balance basically, but you know what, let's quickly try and lose this balance so that we can start from let's just take a random trade here. I don't know if it will go up, come down, but let's see if we can just so while we do that, let's check the market to see if we can find a beautiful trade. We're going to take some beautiful trades today, and the reason why I said I'm very excited today, I will tell you guys later. Because sometimes, when the proceeds of your hard work begins to come into fruition, it really makes me happy when I see results. You understand? So all the results of the hard work we've been putting in all this while is beginning to show. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys later in the in today's live. Oh my god. Yeah, thank you. I'm not sure if I'll be able to edit that out, so it's going to be part of the video like that. But no problem. Let me clear all this. Oh my god. I always forget to turn off my do not disturb mode sometimes, so please bear with me. Okay, this is beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. This is a beautiful thought breakout that is about to happen here. So let's mark this area quickly. Look at this. We have first touch high, second touch high. If price comes down into this level, we will take a trade with the buyers. It's going to be beautiful. Also, we have this ABC to the upside here. Inside this ABC, Ezekiel, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. M4J, hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Oh, we have a demand area here, but this demand area is not fresh. It's not fresh, so we need to be very careful because price may run through it. But also, we have a total breakout, so we may be fine. Let's check into this. Okay, it's still not fresh in S30. Let's see if we can find a fresh lower time frame entry. Okay, there's a lower time frame entry in S15. Let's mark that one. We can take a trade based on this M15 trade, and there's a round number right in the middle, so that's beautiful. Let me mark this quickly. This is beautiful. Okay. So this is going to be a nice setup, actually. Very nice setup. Okay, we'll keep this as a favorite. Let me check. Do we have any other favorites? Okay, there's this basic market structure pattern. I don't know how the market is going to react to this, but the market seems to be stalling here. We seem to have made a double top, so definitely the sellers can come in anytime soon. There's a level here. Well, no worries. Let's just okay, cool. Guys, thank you so much for joining today. Hope you guys are feeling great today. You guys seem quiet today. What's happening now? Now we have 34 of you watching. Well, only one person has liked the video, guys. Please go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much. I know some of you like the shakara I've been doing all this while, but I'm not doing shakara again. You can go ahead and like the video now. Thank you. You understand? You want me to tell you to like it? Please go ahead and like it. Thank you. It is time, liking time. Please go ahead and like the video. Thank you. Just double tap your screen. Some of you have forgotten how to like video because you don't like post video. You understand? Go ahead and double tap your screen. It will like automatically. Thank you. Hey, hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. How are you doing? Trip 4. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, thank you for joining today. I really appreciate that. This is more like a basic market structure pattern. Nothing happened to my account. What do you want to happen? Nothing is going to happen to the account. Okay, because I said I have something to share. Yes, I think okay. Let me talk briefly about it. So I had a very amazing time with one of my students today. You understand, and I'm very happy about what he told me. You understand? Let me see if I still have. Okay, this was one of our sessions. You understand? Some of the sessions that we actually did together. You understand? And this very beautiful session we had together. You understand? Lovely session. Beautiful explanation. And he told me that he made $300 today. You understand? That was a very I was so happy about it. You understand? That I thought to myself I was gonna share it with you guys. You understand? Now I'm not gonna mention his name, so you guys don't know who he is. You understand? He's probably part of our session today. Yes, I have a mentorship. I have a mentorship. The Barter-Pro mentorship. I talk about it all the time. You understand? So, one of my students made $300 today, and I was very happy about it. You understand? Now, so for any one of you, Victory, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. So for any one of you who is in the fence, you understand about joining or not joining, joining or not joining, you understand. So that's it for you guys. You understand. The results are beginning to come in, and more results are beginning to come. They are going to come in eventually. You understand. Yeah, Von Victory, thank you so much for joining. How can I be part of that? Just if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, just click the Telegram channel link in the description below and send me a message on Telegram that you would like to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Just mention the mentorship and I would reply you immediately. You understand? Crystal Corey, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. So for anyone who's been on the fence all this while, see, the earlier you move, the better. The earlier you make that move, the earlier you make that jump, the better, because life is not going to wait for you. You understand? The future is still going to happen regardless of either you make up your mind or not, or either you take action or not. You understand? For example, if you are 25 years old today, yeah, next year you are still going to be 26. Either you join the Barter-Pro mentorship or not, that 26 is coming. And every day, you understand, every hour, every second keeps ticking like that continuously. So if you are still in the fence, should I not, should I not, you understand? At the end of the day, time is just going like that, and you really haven't achieved it. You still haven't gotten the knowledge you really want to get, and you know that it's going to help you. You understand? So for someone to make, tell me about your journey before you become a profitable trader and your highest profits. Um, somebody has asked this question before, and I've actually spoken about this story before. You understand? Okay, I might consider talking about it, but not now. You understand? Maybe not immediately right now. You know what? Ask me that same question again in the next 15 minutes. Then I'll be able to see if I can talk about it. Look forward, trust God, move. Exactly. Glory, yeah, to God be the glory. You understand? So the thing there is, for someone to have made $300 today, you understand? That's already more than half of the amount the person paid for the mentorship, and he made it in a day. So you can imagine the amount he will be making from this point on now. You understand? That's why I tell you that it is worth the investment. You understand? It is worth every dime that you spend on knowledge is worth the investment. You get the gist? Because some of you might think, it's somebody was asking one question yesterday. I was just laughing at this person don't understand how it go. Okay. I'm waiting for this breakout. If we have a breakout here, this is going to be beautiful. Oh, what's happening to this network now? It should not stall. Why is it freezing? Please, oh, I beg. We want to take a trade with the buyers here. I don't want it to freeze. But we need this breakout now. Come on. Breakout. Yes. Now, if we have a margin of safety into this entry, I will take the trade. If price comes down into this entry, I'll go with the buyers again. You understand? Now, look at this. We have third breakouts. First touch high, second touch high. You can see this. Then the next thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have fifth candle theory. You can see what I'm talking about now. I've been talking about this fifth candle theory for a while now. You understand? But you see, it's all these concepts we combine together to take our trades. You understand? Now, usually I would have waited for price to just come to this entry before taking this trade. You understand? I would have waited for price to come down and be patient. You understand? But sometimes, somebody was talking about FOMO yesterday. All of us do have FOMO. You understand? So sometimes this fear of missing out is real. It happens to all of us most of the time, and you may be thinking, why didn't I take this trade? Okay, we lost that trade right now, but I'm still taking this trade. I'm going with the buyers because of this entry here. So I'm expecting the green candle to happen now. Let's see if it's going to happen. So like I was saying, you understand, it's any investment you make in knowledge, especially in learning how to trade, bro. You have Binance Pay option for the payment. No, there's no Binance Pay option for withdrawals. It's only for deposits. I've actually personally asked Pocket Option personally. I sent support a message the other time. You understand that I need Binance Pay option for deposit for withdrawal, and they said they don't have it for withdrawal. They only have it for deposit. You understand? That was how I got to know that they don't have it. You understand? The momentum is kind of strong. Yes, it's a very crazy momentum, but I still took the trade anyways, and we won. The momentum is actually strong. You understand? Normally, I wouldn't trade against the momentum, but because we have this entry here, so I decided to like take the trade. Now, what I could have done better is to wait for margin of safety and take it under here. Well, you can see now the buyers are very weak. That's the reason why the momentum will just continue to the downside. You understand? But we still want that trade. A win is a win. I'll take it. But I'm not going to take another trade on top of it. You understand? So I get the gist. So, like I was saying, you understand. So, if you're on the fence, about taking the trade or about joining the mentorship or not, so that go. That's good. There's still going to be more what they call it. There's still going to be more testimonies. There's still going to be more good results that we're going to be making. Some people are already having good results already. I just wanted to like share this one with you today, really let you guys know that you understand there's no amount to spend on your personal development that goes to waste. You get the gist. So it's just as simple as that. Okay, I think the buyers want to really come in now, but I'm done taking this trade right now. I'm done taking the trade. So I'll just keep looking for opportunities in the markets. Let me clear this. Okay. Let me clear this quickly. So if you ask me that question again in the next 15 minutes, I'm able to hint you, give you an abridged version of that story. You understand? It's actually a very, very fascinating story, though. A lot of people are like stories like that, so no problem. I don't see any opportunity here. Meroni, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Victor Oladipo, thank you so much for joining. No, actually, my strategy doesn't revolve around indicators. You understand? My strategy doesn't really need indicators like that. You can take your trades without indicators and you'll be fine. Look at this now. This giving you a heads and shoulders pattern. You understand? And this is going to be a QM. In fact, let's mark this and quickly see. This strategy is called QM. I don't know what you mean by welcome news. Okay, this is M5. We have M5 confirmation. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful trade, guys. I'm already seeing the entry. Guys, don't worry. I'm going to explain this trade after we take the trade. You understand? But I just need to quickly mark this. I may be moving very fast, but don't worry. I will explain the trade once we are done. Okay, let's go back to M1. I've seen the entry. So look at this now. We have this ABC to the upside and push to the downside. This is a QM. We mark the QM shoulder here, right here, and we'll go to higher time frame to find the higher time frame confirmation. This engulf, you can see. So we'll go back to lower time frames now to find the entry. You can see we have an S30 entry here. Let me make it accurate. So we have an S30 entry here. Now we didn't see anything S15. Let me check S10. Though I probably would just leave it at that S30. The S30 entry is cool by me. So now you see we have this push to the upside here. If this momentum continues to the upside, I'm not going to take this trade. I'm not going to take the trade. Like if this momentum just keeps going to the upside right now, or you know what, let's not take the trade. Let's just reduce the risk amount. You understand? So let me go with 5 instead. No, not 25. 5. Thank you. So if price comes into this entry, I'm going with the sellers. I'm expecting a retracement to the downside. But if this momentum breaks, like if we have a red candle in between all these candles and eventually goes up, I'm going to take the full amount. So let's see how it goes. Okay. I would have said we should check other markets, but we need to keep an eye on these markets because it may come up at any time, and we want to be ready when we want to take the trade. We don't want any distraction. So we're going to take the trade here. So I've reduced the risk amount just in case this momentum goes crazy, because you see, momentums cannot be trusted. You understand? And normally, okay, fine. If we end it as a green candle now, that's good. We'll go back to the real amount. So if this price comes up now and gives us this engulf, we'll be expecting a retracement or a pullback. You understand? So we'll wait for this trade. I don't know what you mean by welcome news. What do you mean by welcome news? Do you mean I'm trying to understand the welcome news. Oh, this is a beautiful third touch. I didn't see it. As the first touch high, second touch high, price breaks this level, you go with the buyers. Beautiful. Okay, since market is pulling away from this entry now, we can check the rest of the market. This was the trade we took the other time. Oh my god, you see this momentum now? It just keeps going. Somebody will want to take a sell trade here now because you see a Marabozu candle and a round number, but you've forgotten that this is a crazy bullish momentum to the upside. You understand? You don't trade against the momentum and you don't trade with it, because they may get here now and say, okay, we have a Marabozu candle and a round number, let's give them a red candle. That may happen too. So you don't want to take this kind of trades. Just let it be. Some people want to like find where the reversal point will be. You understand? Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. You understand? Just leave any momentum you see alone. You understand? Most of my losses personally has been to momentums. So if you see me avoid momentum now, it's from very, very bad experiences. So okay, let me clear this. We have another opportunity here. This first touch high, second touch high. The price comes down to this level, we'll take this trade. So this is the level, you can see. So let's check back. Okay, price is coming back into this area. We're going to go with the sellers, but I'm going to wait for it to get in between. Or you know what, let's divide into two. I'll take one, immediately enters here. Then I'll take one if it goes up here again. Because sometimes at the middle, it's like the sweet spots. But it may also reject from this edge and not get to the middle. It has happened many times too, so you understand. I'm still expecting a pullback. So let's wait for it. Okay. I'm still gonna take a trade, but let's give us a little bit of margin of safety here. Are you gonna give us or not? I was waiting for this margin of safety. Okay. Okay. I'm expecting a pullback now. Let's see. The reason why I took the trade, I waited for price to come up here is because of this round number. You understand? I'm expecting the market to at least respect this round number. Okay, that's good. Okay, we have a gap down in favor of the buyers. I'm going to leave this market alone right now. and don't worry about it. So you can see the clever way we managed the trade right here. So it's one of those things. We're waiting for this trade. Let's wait for it. We have a triple top here. Anytime you have a triple top like this, the market is calling the sellers that it's time to sell. Okay, where does Sam Kelly and Abami? I really don't know all these people you're mentioning. I really don't know them. Okay. I'm going to exit this market. Like, I'm going to remove this market now because I can't see any opportunity right there. And it's just taking space on my. Okay, we finally have a gap up in favor of the sellers. But you see, this gap up is not enough to take a trade. You understand? So let's check another market we've not checked. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. We have a Doji setup here. And you can see market is respecting that Doji. Price breaks the Doji range. We have an opposite candle. If it breaks it to the downside, I'm going with the buyers. Okay, cool. Let me check the lower time frame. Bro, I have to admit there's millions to learn in trading. You can't know everything. Definitely, nobody can know everything. You're very correct. Nobody can know everything. I'm telling you, it's very vast. But you can know the little you need. Like you can just grab the little knowledge you can grab and run with it. And if you can master that like on your own, just master a few strategies, that would be beautiful. You understand? As long as you can pick bread with it, that's all that matter. You understand? Okay, I found the entry. I found an entry here. This is a beautiful entry. Let's go back to M1. Oh, it's blur. Oh, sorry. I think it's the network. So sorry about that. If it's blur, let's just give it some minutes. Like let's give it like 3 minutes. If it's still blurry after 3 minutes, I might have to like reset my network and. So let me know if it's okay. Camera is not good. It's not camera actually. It's screen, and it's network actually. Car for Ebuka. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. It's actually a screen recording. It's not. It's a network. You understand? When the network misbehaves like that, that's what happens most of the time. So please bear with us. But if it clears up, let me know. Okay. Yeah, it's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Okay, now we can go with the buyers now. Oh, I'll take another one with buyers. I'm expecting the buyers to come in here. We have a gap up in favor of the buyers. We have doji break. You understand? So let's see if, and we have um an S5 lower time frame entry down here. So at least it should retrace enough for us to win. Rami Seller, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. So let's see, or maybe they've decided to like break to the downside and not come back up. So only time will tell if it's going to work or not. So let's see. We have 10 seconds left. Okay, it's going to be a losing trade. It's going to be a losing trade, but no problem. Now there's this thing. Oh, I should have taken this trade. Well, let me see. I think I can take this trade. If price comes back to this entry that we marked, I can take the trade. Because by then that would be a Doji disrespect trade. We can take it. Let me see if there's okay. We have an entry up here. We have a confirmation actually. The confirmation was that gap down in the favor of the buyers. So now the thing there is, there's no 100% proof strategy in the markets. So some of this, I was explaining yesterday about a particular strategy. Now that strategy has about 70% win rate. It means if you take the strategy 10 times, just that strategy alone, like in the market, and you trade that strategy 10 times, you are going to win 7 times and you will lose 3 times. Now, there's something that people don't pay attention to when they lose. Now, if you are working with a 70% strategy, now the market does not tell you which order the losing the probability of the losing streak is going to come. So your first 5 trades might actually be profits, and or your first 5 trades, 3 of it might actually be losses, and 2 will be wins, or 3 might be wins and 2 will be losses. You don't know that. That's one part we don't know about the market. So there's this factor of probability that plays out in the market too, regardless of how good your regardless of how good your strategy is. This particular strategy is a doji break strategy. You understand? And you can see it play out here, right here. It has played out already in this chart. We have a doji candle here in a ranging market. It only works in a ranging market. Okay, this is a trade I wanted to take. Oh, okay. I'm expecting a pullback here. And I'll tell you why I'm expecting a pullback. Now we have an entry here. But price broke this entry without any respect. You understand? So we have another entry up here. The one I marked in green here is another entry. So if price comes up here, we can take the trade up here too. Yeah, the thing there is, so because there was a decision being taken and we didn't make this particular trade, if price comes back to that level, you understand, market is going to treat it as a supply as a supply area. You understand? And this is exactly what's happening here. You're sending plenty messages. I only have 2 seconds to read anything you send. So make it short, brief, and concise. It's very easy for me to read like that. You get the gist. So I'm still answering one of your messages. I'm not done with that. You've sent another one. You understand? And I have very little window to actually read your comments. So just make it very brief and precise. You understand? So now the strategy you were asking about, this is it. You see this candle, it's called a doji. Now, when you have this kind of candle in the middle of a ranging market, look at this. You can see this green candle break out of this doji range. Now, I marked the range of this candle. You can see. When price breaks out of it, you have an opposite candle. You can see. When price breaks out of it from the downside, we have this green candle happen. And the same thing keeps happening. But look at here now. Price broke out of this doji range. I was expecting a green candle, and we have another entry down here. The one I marked in purple here, this one. You can see. So I took the trade right inside this entry. I was expecting the buyers to come in. We have a gap down in favor of the buyers. You understand? So that's a confirmation that we need to go with the buyers. Now, regardless of the doji break and the confirmation that we have, the probability played against us here. Well, you can see now when price came back into that entry, what happened? There's a retracement. You get it, gist. That's exactly what I'm telling you about probability. You understand? Probability plays a role in your what they call it in your strategy. You understand? Regardless of the win rate it carries, even if it carries a 90% win rate, You see, it means if you trade the strategy 10 times, you win 9 out of 10. But you see that one loss you are going to make, you don't know which order is going to come. You don't know if it's going to be the first trade, or the last trade, or the fourth trade, or the third trade. You don't know. You understand? So when losses come like that, you take it as like a champ, and you move on from it. You get the gist. Saying it's in you see, your messages are plenty, and you can see the way it appears on the screen. That's the same way it goes within 2 seconds. I'm not a very fast reader like that, so I can't read your messages very fast. Do you take real money or only demo? Yes, I actually trade my real account. If you like to watch my live accounts, I have a playlist on my channel. It's called Live Trade Sessions. So go there, you see all my live trade. This same strategy I'm using to trade, I use it to explain my trades also. The same way I explain here. The only difference is that I'm not doing it live. Uh, we make it back again. The remix. Yes, correct. Welcome. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. Now, if you need an in-depth explanation or a breakdown of all these things, all these concepts I'm talking about, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? That's where you get all the juice. Like, I will sit you down personally. We would run through it together, one after the other. Hey, our class captain is back. Thank you so much for joining. Alade Ayomi, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, our class captain is back finally. You don't tell. Waiting happen now. Correct. Somebody asked of you yesterday. I said, our class captain, we don't know. If like say don't travel, go Dubai. You understand? Maybe you went to test your Lamborghini. Yes, Akobi Olugbala, 1440. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, you're not feeling fine. Hey, yeah, sorry. I hope you're feeling better now. I hope you're feeling better now. It's nice to have you here. You understand? No worries. See, sometimes if money enter now, all this malaria thing we talk about, we know we talk about it again. You understand? There are some things that money can easily just clear. You understand? You have like $10,000 in your account now. The way the malaria will fly away. Let me keep an eye on this market. This is a beautiful trade. Now you can see we have another doji here now. You see, but you see, this market is different from that other market that we were talking about. You see, dojis work best in ranging markets. This is not a ranging market. This is more like a trendy market. You can see it's trending to the downside. So some people let me now tell you where the challenge with some people will be. Some people they will listen to that explanation I just did. They won't pay attention to everything I said, that this kind of strategy only works in ranging markets. Then they will go and try it on this kind of markets and it will not work. And they will now and say the strategy doesn't work. Whereas they will not understand that they missed a very vital detail. Look at this now. We have a break to the downside, but you can see we don't have an opposite candle. It's because we are not in a ranging market. You understand now. So there are little things that you have to pay attention to. You get it? There are details all over the market that you have to pay attention to, or else at the end of the day you just think the market is manipulated, blah blah blah. It's not manipulated, Coco. You understand? You are not the one listening to, you are not paying attention to the instructions. You understand? So if you practice your strategies properly and you listen to every instructions and you pay attention to all the details, you will be fine. Trust me. You understand? I know what I'm saying. You will be fine. Now some people want to take this trade now. They will see it as a decision point trade. But for decision point trade to work, you need at least 3 touches on the what? You need at least 3 rejections on the level. These just 2 rejections, and you can see this third one was a breakout. So some people will now be going to lower time frame now to look for entries. You understand? They will see this entry now. They will say, ah, thank God we found an entry. Price will come there and just break through the entry and will not give you a good trade. See, guys, we need to do better when it comes to paying attention to details. You understand? Because that's the only way we can actually be profitable in the market is to pay attention. You get the gist. So the strategies are there for us to actually take our trades, and they are there to like help us take the best trades. You understand? So you have to pay attention. You cannot ignore details and expect to win in the market. You understand? You can see now I'm taking my time to look for very good trades in the market. Now it's not as if I've not seen some good trades, but we are not going to trade good trades. We're looking for the highest probability trades that can yield us profits in the market. So we will pay attention to all the details. And if there's one detail that will compromise the strategy, we abort the whole strategy. We are not taking it. It's as simple as that. You understand? You have to be that detailed about yourself, like very, very you have to be able to scrutinize yourself personally before the market scrutinizes you. Look at this now. We have a ranging market here. If we have a doji in between here, you can wholeheartedly take a doji trade and it will be amazing. But until that happens, we're not going to take any trade there. You can see. So these are the reasons why it seems as if you understand. It seems as if like this guy, if like say this guy is strict though, he's too strict. It's not about being strict, it's about paying attention to all the details. And if there's as much as one detail that tells you that you should not take the trade, don't ignore it. Just don't take the trade. It's as simple as that. Again, I'll load. Guys, if you have any questions, please go ahead and put in the comment section. This is a basic market structure pattern. Let me mark it quickly. And this just on the basic end, you understand? Now we have a supply here. I can easily go with the sellers now. If we have a gap up, that'll be nice. No gap up. So I'm going to wait for margin of safety above this round number here before taking the trade. That's where I'm going to take the trade. If we had a gap up, I would have entered immediately. Oh, come on now. Come to this side. Let's take a trade here. Okay. We'll wait for it. I'm expecting the sellers to come in. Yes. Okay. Now let's have the pullback now. I'm going to explain this trade after this trade. I'm going to explain it. Let's just take this trade first. I hope they don't push to the upside in the last 10 seconds because things like this happen here. Because in the last 10 seconds, I've seen market just push unnecessarily to the upside. Okay, now let me take this. Let me show you why I'm taking this trade quickly. Now, you see, I told you we have this basic market structure pattern, and I marked it immediately. You see, when you are in a basic market structure, there are two places that are sure that you can take trades. You see, the trend line above here and the trend line down here. And why is that? Because the sellers are up here, the buyers are down here. You can tell by the movement of the market. You can see. You understand? So because we know there are sellers here, what opportunities do we have along this line? This is a common point of rejection. And I always tell you that when you are taking common point of rejection trades, what do? You combine it with a round number. So 261.500. Now, when you have a round number that have multiple zeros, the more the zeros behind the round number, the better. I'm going to go with the sellers again. Okay. But the reason why I'm going to go with the sellers is different from the previous reason. Now, yes, we still have the common point of rejection here, but the reason why I'm going to go with the sellers is because of this round number here. Price open on this round number. You understand? I'm expecting the sellers to come in. You see, round numbers act like S and R's, support and resistance in the market. You know, some people call it people in the SMC, they call it psycho levels or psychological levels in the market. And most of the time, when you have a setup like this where price opens on a round number, you understand. Usually, the sellers are going to come in like this. You understand, but I didn't take the trade immediately. I waited for that common point of rejection again to take the trade, and also we are in a seller's area. Remember, I told you the other time we're in a seller's area. You get it, G? So most of the time, you need to settle down and learn all these concepts one after the other, and it's not easy. I'm telling you now. I know it's not easy, but if you really want to learn all this, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. It will help you. Now, let me address everyone, anyone who is a beginner in the in the live right now. If you are a beginner here, the first thing you need to do is to subscribe to this channel right now. Yes, you need to subscribe. That's the first thing you need to do. Now, the second thing you need to do is to, if you don't have an account yet, the registration link is in the description. Just click the registration link, you understand, and join. And you can register with your email and verify your account. It's very important that you do that. So once you are done, come back to this channel. Yes, we have a gap up now in favor of the sellers. I'm taking this trade. Let's see if we're going to have another seller's candle. Though I'm not very sure about this particular trade, but I still want to take the trade because we have a gap up and in a seller's area. You understand? I'm expecting the sellers to come in. I hope they don't push in the last 10 seconds. That's the only thing I'm weary about, because that last 10 seconds sometimes, they try to like change the market a little bit. But let's just see how it goes. So you understand? All you need to do is to come back to this channel. I have a playlist for all the beginners. It's called Binary Option for Beginners. So you go through this channel, and that goes for everyone actually. You guys should go through this channel. There are wealth of knowledge, you understand, that people have been taking advantage of all this while. Well, probably because you don't check the channel, you understand. You only watch the live. You didn't know about it. Hey, is it? Am I reading aliens? Oh my god, what kind of name is this? Or maybe it's a real name actually. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. So the next thing you need to do, after watching the binary option for beginners playlist, I have 16 videos there. The next thing you need to do is to watch the live trade session playlist. You see, this is where I have my own personal trade sessions. People have been asking for my live trade sessions, like my own real account. Yes, you will see it there. So just click on live trade session playlist and you watch. I think I have maybe close to 100 videos now. I don't even know, Seth, because it's plenty. You get it. Just go ahead, watch those videos, guys. It will really help you. It will really, really help you. You understand? Now, if you don't have time to, those gap ups always favor sellers and gap down always favor buyers. Most of the time it does. Guys, we have Ayomiko, thank you so much for joining. Guys, we have Gemworld in the house. Thank you, Gemworld. It's nice to have you here. I hope you're feeling great today. Guys, please let me welcome Gemworld especially to our live. Gemworld is one of the OGs on this channel, and she's been doing amazingly. You understand? There's one of our OGs too that is not around yet. His name is Timmy. I'll mention his name so that if he's watching the replay, we'll know that we acknowledge both his presence and his absence too. Thank you so much for joining Gemworld. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, hi, American. It's nice to have you here too. Thank you so much. If like say Gemmo don't get plenty fans past me. Somebody's calling Gemmo Gem. Now wow. Ona never give me what they call nickname since, but I don't give Gemmo. Now wow. No worry, me too. I go try do it next time. You understand? To reduce sponsor. It's nice to have you guys here. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, thank you very much. Let's look for another fantastic trade, or let's check the market that we've checked before. This is a total breakout here. It's about happening now. If we have a breakout, we can go with the sellers. Okay. Let me quickly, we have 20 seconds. So let me quickly check. Guys, if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, click the Telegram channel link and send me a message on Telegram. Just mention the Telegram channel, the mentorship, and I will. Oh, I don't see any confirmation here. Okay, it's already pulling back, Seth. It's pulling back. Okay, I'm not going to take this trade again. Oh, we have a gap up. You know what? Let's take the trade. I'll just take one trade here. I'm expecting a red candle. Though, let me see. Why is it frozen? Let me take one more on that round number. If it comes above this round number, we will take one. Can we have it or not? Yes. Okay. Coming after that one there. Yes, I thought as much too. Let's just see how it goes. I'm wondering why. Wait, do we have a gap down? No, we have a gap up in favor of the buyers and the sellers. So I was expecting a red candle here, but I don't know why. I'll go again one more time. We have another gap up again on a round number now. This one might actually get the sellers activated. Oh, this is what you mean by going after this one. Yes, it's very possible because of this level here. Actually, if we are going to draw the level, this is how big the level will be. So it's still within range. So all this area is still the active zone. You understand? So you're correct. I notice you don't do martingale money management style. Since that martingale, I don't understand it. I don't even know what it is. You understand? But I think somebody tried to explain it to me the other day. You know, but like I always say, money management is a personal thing. You understand? It depends on how deep your pocket is. Like somebody that has $100 now, the money management will be different from someone that has like maybe 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 in the account. You understand? If you tell them to go with 4% of their balance, 4% of 100 is $4. If you take a $4 trade, you may not be, how do I call it? You may not really be encouraged. Even if you win the trade, like you just made $3. You understand? But someone like me now, if I have $100 in my account, I'm going in with 12.5%. Now I prefer to use percentage. Why? Because with percentage, I don't have to think about the amount. I just look at this now. I can go back now and choose. Oh, sorry, let me check that. Martingale means if you lose your initial capital, you double it. Oh, okay, okay. Yes, yeah, that was exactly the explanation someone gave me the other day. You understand? But I don't use that, you understand? Because I use percentage. Look at this now. This 12.5% of the current balance. So I can keep it consistent at 12.5% consistently. And now my trade amount is going to be increasing. The only thing I need to focus on is actually taking good trades. You understand? And we have this total breakout that's about happening here right now. First touch low, second touch lower low. But you see this total breakout is ugly. Now, I'm not going to take this trade unless price comes into this entry up here. We have an entry up here. So I'm going to take advantage of that entry. You understand? That's the one I want to take advantage of. This entry here. And this is a momentum. So we have to be very careful, Seth. That we haven't taken this trade is, well, let's just take it. We may actually lose the trade, but let's take it anyways. Abdul Sorry, I couldn't read your name fully, but thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. So what I could have done? Oh, we have a gap down in favor of the buyers. What I could have done is to wait for a little bit of margin of safety above this round number, so that at least we can combine this round number with the trade. But let's see. You understand? I'm expecting a red candle here. If we have a red candle, we are good. You understand? So it's a third breakout, but it's a very ugly third breakout. You understand? The only reason why I'm taking this trade is because of this entry. We have an entry here. You understand? Like a supply area. Yes, guys, please go ahead and like the live. Can you imagine? Only 9 likes. Guys, now, come on. Now wow, now what to you? Come on, 9. Latenko. Hey, my God, guys. Oh yeah, please. You understand? Mona, drop everything you are doing first. Let's like the video. Yes, liking time. I know we are not in church. You understand? This is not offering time, but this is liking time. You understand? Let's go ahead and like the video now. Thank you very much. Yes, I really appreciate that. Thank you. Somebody just liked now. Thank you very much. God bless you. That one person that just liked. God bless you. Yes, you. Thank you very much. Okay, cool. That's nice. Let's check the rest of the market. I really like that trade we just took now. It's a beautiful one. First touch low, second touch lower low. Price came into this level, broke this third touch, gave us a red candle. That's beautiful. That was beautiful, guys. That was beautiful. Guys, you don't know that the more you like the video, the more you encourage me to stay more in the market. Some of you want me to stay like 4 hours in the market, analyzing the market for you, but yet to like the video now, I be like chingum. Yes. Oh my God. When nobody say like you carry chingum for hand, like the video now. Okay. There's no opportunity here, so Rudolph Alimo, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. This supply area might be up to something, but it's only supply. I actually don't have any other reason. Let me see if I can combine it with this trend line. If I can combine with that trend line, that would be nice. It's nice to have you here, Rudolph. Thank you so much. Rudolph sounds like Russia. Is that Russian? You know, I know I'm beginning to make a lot of friends all over the world, so I want to know the country where you're from. It's really nice to sometimes just know things, about your friends. Oh, it's Ghanaian. Wow, that's good. That's good. This supply area is rejecting price. Yeah, definitely. Why not? Pure Funny TV. It's nice to have you here. Yeah, sure. I'm here. We are here to actually teach each other and learn from each other. You understand? So thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. If you'd like to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, you can click the Telegram channel link in the description. You understand? And send me a message on Telegram. You see, when you get to Telegram, there's this tag called at Barter-Pro mentorship. Click on it to bring you straight to my chat room where we can I can reply you directly. You understand? So you can you can chat me up basically. You can chat me up like that, and we can have a very nice conversation. Dindawa, thank you so much for joining. Now, but for your information, Barter-Pro mentorship is a paid service. You need to be aware of that ahead. It's a paid service. You understand? Somebody was asking for free mentorship the other day, So I told them that I already teach for free on YouTube, and I have my videos online, like on YouTube. So if you want the free version of Barter-Pro mentorship, watch the live trade session playlist. That's the only free version you will ever get, and it's a high quality free version actually. You understand? It's high quality. It's that type that people pay for. You understand? So you can take advantage of that. I intentionally left those videos there for because of students. There are a lot of students that come. They say, bros, I'm a student, this and that. So don't worry, go and watch the videos on YouTube. You'll be fine. You get it just so. That's what I do basically. Okay. I'm going to take this trade, but I'm going to wait for price to come here before taking the trade, and I'll tell you why. This entries are this is going to be our entry. It's going to be our entry. Let's just wait for it. So, okay. If it doesn't come, no problem. Though I'm expecting a red candle, but if that does not happen, it's fine. You know what? Let me see something. Let me see if though I really doubt this will be a very good trade. So I'm not going to go with a real amount, like the real amount I would have. There are some kind of trades that you want to take in the market that you know that is not 100% or the probability is not high. But sometimes you just want to take it for rest of mind so that you understand, or for fear of missing out. You understand? You don't want to miss out of the trade. So let me mark this properly here. Good. Let's go back to. So this is going to be our entry. Okay. I thought I marked this. Okay, let's mark it now. So over here. So if price breaks into this level and goes into this entry, we will take the trade. We're taking a rejection trade to the downside. You get. So that's going to be a beautiful trade. We should keep an eye on this market and not wander too far from it, because that may the trade we wanted to take that time. Okay, no problem. Okay. The only trade that is closed now is this. No, not this one. I mean this one. So we'll just wait for this. Guys, give me a minute. Let me get some water. Okay. Okay. I haven't missed so much. Don't worry. Market is moving away from that entry. Let's try and let's explore other aspects of the market. Let's see if we can find a very good trade. This is another basic market structure pattern. Okay. If we have a gap down here, we can go with the buyers. Hey, Chuku D. Martin, thank you so much for joining. Let's go with the buyers here. It's nice to have you here, bro. What is your expiry time? It's 1 minute. Candlesticks time frame is 1 minute. No, it's not gambling. Uh, SC Ellen Gaming. It's nice to have you here. Abdul Zakari. Thank you so much, Zakari. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Now, the thing there is, if you don't know what you're doing, yes, it's gambling. But if you have an idea what you're doing, then it's trading. So I hope that's clear. And there's a whole lot of people actually who are just gambling in the market. So I would agree with you that some people just gamble. You understand? Hey, Timmy, it's nice to have you here. Finally, we have our OG in the our OG now. He's back. We've been waiting for you since. I'd already mentioned your name, thinking, okay, even if you don't come, probably if you watch the replay, you will know that at least somebody mentioned your name. This is beautiful. So you can see here we have this basic market structure pattern, but we don't have any opportunity like that is glaring up here. But let's mark a few things that we see. This is a supply area up here, so we should mark the supply at least. Now we don't know if there's going to be any opportunity inside the supply. So what do? We find out. Now, if we have a gap up, I'll go with the sellers. You know what? Let's go with the sellers. This is a 3 bar up pattern, and this market is opening on a round number, so I'm expecting the sellers to come in. Also, you understand, this area is actually a supply area too, but it's been taken already, so it's not fresh. Oh, I like the guy here. So this is another supply area, but it's not a fresh supply area. That's why I didn't consider it initially. So I tried considering, yes, BNBG. Yes, we have all the guys in the house now. We have Mujid, our class captain. Timmy, yeah, Timmy is in the house too, so it makes so much sense. Oh, it's like this guy here are not giving the vibe. Some of no, we don't have those vivacious elements. Those vivacious elements, they didn't come today. Sincerely, I was really expecting them because I was pumped about them yesterday. You understand? Guys, if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is how we have fun. You understand? We don't just trade because we are too serious. William, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Obuluwom, hope you're feeling great today. I like that name. The day where you, I don't know what to mean by the day where you, but it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. So, if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We have fun here every day. You understand? Regardless of, oh yeah, that guy. I was expecting him to come since I've been waiting. Sincerely, I've been waiting for him to come. Sincerely, that would really be amazing. You understand? Slow trudging. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Oh, this is gonna be a beautiful one. Can you imagine this thought breakout just land in front of us? Victor, it's nice to have you here. First time here after I nearly blew my account today. Hey, yeah, sorry, but don't worry. I'm glad you're here now. The day where I try, na so blow everywhere blow. It happens like that, but it's actually the network. So I'm so very sorry. Yeah, it's a beautiful touch. Actually, I've been waiting for it since. And finally, look at this. It's so beautiful. Hey guys, Kilo Day. Now, what we're gonna do? Eh? Look at this. we'll mark this common point of rejection. So even if price breaks here, we're still not going to take a, let's contact the trade together, my guys. What do you mean by contact? I don't understand. So look at this now. We have common point of rejection. We can take a trade above this round number if price comes there. You understand? That's one. Then if price closes somewhere here, we can go with the sellers. But I'm not going to take a trade immediately after because of this crazy momentum. So I'll wait for price to break this common point of rejection above this round number. I will take the trade. Now, if it gives us the gap up, then I can enter immediately. If it doesn't, if you don't know what you are doing, if you don't know what you are doing, yes, you are gambling. If it goes above this thing, I'm gonna take it. Oh yeah, share. Let me take one here. I'll wait for another this thing. Okay, we'll take another. Oh, come on, could see the bear. It never reach. Let me go back to M1. It hasn't gotten above the, but I'm expecting a pullback from here. Let's see. We should have enough pullback to give us a winning trade. So let's see how it goes. Okay, that's a winning trade. Now, I can take this trade, but I'll wait for this margin of safety. I can still go, but I'll go with small amounts this time around. Above this round number is the best place to be. Yes. So I'm expecting a pullback now. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen. So I reduced the amount because of this crazy momentum, but it's not really a very crazy momentum like that because 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it's fifth candle theory. We have sellers entry. You understand? We have total breakouts. You understand? So total breakout, sellers entry. We have round number. You understand? It's a good trade to take actually. But I'm reducing the trade amount because of this momentum. Sometimes momentums are, they can't be predicted. So this is a beautiful trade, guys. Fantastic. You understand? So like I said, guy, you understand? Then Briar, the what I mean is if you don't know what you are doing, you are definitely gambling. You understand? So if you don't know what you are doing, trust me, it's pure gamble. There's no two way about it. I don't use sugar to cover things. You understand? I say it the way it is. So if you don't want to gamble, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? Yeah, guys, I want to tell you for those who were not here. You understand? I had a very beautiful session with my students today. Let me show you some of the. Okay, I think this is. Look at this is some of the class we took. You understand? And it was amazing. Yes, Williams is itself. It was an amazing class. Then sincerely, it was amazing. He told me that you understand, he made $300 today, and that was amazing, guys. You understand? $300. That's what he made in one day. You get it, just that's beautiful. You understand? That was beautiful. You understand? And so, if you're on the fence, should I join the Barter-Pro mentorship? Should I not join? The results are beginning to come in. You understand? Your own results should be part of it too, because either you like it or not, the results are going to come in. You understand? Either you make up your mind today or tomorrow. It doesn't matter really. What really matters is that you make up your mind eventually, because like I was saying, if you are 25 this year, it's sure banker that next year you are going to be 26. Nothing's going to change it. Your indecision does not change your age. It keeps adding up every year, year in, year out. So the best thing you can do is to do what you've got to do. You understand? So it's as simple as that, basically. So if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, no, don't take any trade again. Oh, there's no opportunity here again. For now, at least. You understand? I've not seen any opportunity here again. So, okay, we have this QM down here. I was trying to check for QM. So what we can do now is we can go to lower time frame and find the entries. There's one entry here. We'll take an entry here. Then we'll go to lower time frame again. We have another entry down here. So this is going to be our S30 entry. If price comes here, we take a rejection trade to the upside. So the fact that you see that the market is going up or coming down does not mean you should follow. You understand? I've said it many times and I will say it again, guys. Don't just follow the market. Knowing what you are doing is your best bet. I'm going with the sellers here. We have a huge gap up. I'm going to take this trade. I'm expecting a pullback from this place, from above this round number. So I'm expecting a red candle here. We have morning star pattern. We have huge gap up. You understand? And we are still in the sellers area. I mean the sellers entry. We are inside the sellers entry. You can see. So you take this trade. Yes. Send me Pure Funny TV. Send me a message on Telegram. So click Telegram channel and send me a message, and I'll give you all the details. I'm not going to talk about price here. No. When me and you are discussing, you understand, we will not make it public. You get it? Just now, the price is public. I'm not trying to hide the price. Yeah, I'm not hiding the price at all. You understand? The price is public. Almost everybody knows. But I like when people are serious about something, you make inquiry about it. Then I give you all the information you need. Not just the price now. I'll give you all the information that you need. This is a beautiful session. Yes, it's exactly what I'm saying. No, you don't need money to join the Telegram channel. You understand? Just come to the Telegram channel is free. Just click the link and you are in already. You understand? You just click the join button. It's as simple as that. You understand? Joining the Barter-Pro mentorship is what I'm talking about. When you click Telegram channel link, send me a message on Telegram. You understand? Once you get to Telegram, you understand, you will see this tag called at Barter-Pro mentorship. Click on it and send me a message immediately. I'll be the one to personally answer you. You understand? I don't have an assistant yet, so you still have the privilege of linking up with me personally. Still okay. You understand? So very soon I will have an assistant. So you guys will be talking to my assistant. But now, for now, you still have the privilege, direct privilege. You understand? So no problem. So just go ahead, send me a message on Telegram, and I'll be there to reply you, give you all the information you need. Basically, as simple as that. Uh, this is actually a very beautiful session. My time is actually up right now. We started from here. Sorry, I couldn't read that message. Telegram link is in the description of this video. User, thank you very much. It's in the description of this live. If you click the description, if you don't know what description is, if you are using your phone, long press your screen. You should bring the description menu or click this menu at the top right hand side of your screen. There's one menu there. Click it. You see the description. Click the description, then you see all the links. You understand? So it's as simple as that, basically, guys. Today's session was amazing. I'm out of time right now, but thank you so much, guys, for joining. We will be back tomorrow again. Now, no worries, Sha. We'll be back tomorrow by God's grace, and I hope this thing. So very soon, by God's grace, I believe your own testimony is going to be next too. You understand? Because you can imagine somebody made $300 in one day. That's more than half of the money he paid for mentorship. He's already making this. Yes, thank you, Chris Okore. He's already made, you understand, more than half of the money he paid. You understand? He already made it in a day. So you can imagine any other money he makes from this point on, is going to be profit for him. Yes, yes. But don't worry, I'm going to post the replay tomorrow. You understand? I'm going to post the replay tomorrow, so you can still watch the replay. You understand? So thank you so much, guys, for joining. I really appreciate. Oh, that's good. That's good. Thank you very much. User PY5X. I couldn't see the rest, but thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. All right, Timmy. Thank you very much. So, guys, I will see you tomorrow by God's grace. I hope you guys have a lovely one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.